See how their boys is turning out.
Look, I'm a struggling businessman. This guy here hauls ice around like a dumb Eskimo, and you throw stiffs in a crate. It's a very classy crew.
Everybody needs something, and what you need is a lot of me wrapped around you on a cold night.